Hey guys, so it's Saturday, it's week 5, and I want to take you through the sales of this week and how close are we to the bamboo printer this time. So let's check out what we have on Coles. So right now we are at 819 sales, and that's 50 sales since last week, which is amazing. I don't know what to say. Right now we have 412.58 euros pending for income and 12.91 remaining to transfer because I transferred yesterday. And here we have my little book with all the numbers. So 819 is what we have this time, and I sold for 183.86 euros this week. And I transferred 255.69 to my PayPal. So they are there now, plus these, and that makes it a total of 681 euros. And we are halfway there, yeah! Living on a prayer. Almost getting there to the bamboo. Halfway is so fantastic, I can't thank you. So here are the models I've sold. I sold 8 Love Serpents, normal version. 14 commercial versions of the Love Serpent. I sold 8 Nuggets commercials. I sold 2 Valentine's Heart commercials, 2 Kingfisher commercials, 2 harmonicas, 2 normal Kingfishers, 1 Bitsy Gun, 1 Axolotl, 1 Sprinkles, 1 Pumpkin Skulls commercial, 1 Wobbly Brain Slug commercial, 1 Clover commercial, 1 Easter Buns commercial, 1 Sprinkles commercial, 1 Nuts and Bolts commercial, wow, I can't say that anymore, 1 Nugget, and 1 Clover of the normal versions. So these are the sales for this week. Don't forget to check in next week, Saturday, and see where we are at. You all take care now. Bye bye.